Okay, this costs
All right, my day is complete.
We have political activist Ellen Montanari. She's leaving, but she's been here the whole time. I'm at a street protest in Encinitas, California, at the corner of Encinitas Boulevard and El Camino Real. A lot of honks of support. I've made blue waves.
I'm okay with taking green, taking clean, probably not.
So this goes on every Thursday from 4 to 5 in Encinitas, California. There are a lot of honks of support at this point. Looks like we have, it's close to ending, but we had about 50, 60 people in attendance total today. Please join if you're local to this area and you can. Please join in. It's a very busy street or intersection. However, a lot of times people will stop and talk to you. Very interactive street protest. Got several blue waves in attendance. All right, it's Costa del Sol, and
Bring all your friends.
I'm going to give you a lecture.
Let's bankrupt you now.
It's not enough to sit at home and like things on Facebook. It's not enough to read the news and be aghast literally every day. You have to put your feet in the street. We have people here who come to this protest who are well into their 80s and 90s. We've had children here. Even if you go to a corner with 20 of your best friends, it will grow. This protest, which is up to about 60 people a week, started out at about 20 a week. You can hear all the support. Get involved. How do you get involved? If you don't haven't yet, join Indivisible. There's an Indivisible group near you. Join it and get involved. Call, phone bank, door-to-door canvas, send out postcards, go to protests, go to rallies, go to democratic forums, go to meet and greets, go to every possible event that you can attend, and let everybody know, talk about it at restaurants, that this is not normal. What is going on with our government is not only not normal, it's not acceptable. Okay. People, I'm gonna go now, but thank you for attending. Thank you for joining me. Bye.